Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing on this wonderful Saturday afternoon? You can guess where I'm at right now. Yep, I'm at Rockwood Park again. This will be my third vlog here, but we're gonna still have a good time. Only reason why I came to Rockwood this time is because I was meeting the family up here. They went to church across the street and they just came over here. But I wanted to go somewhere else, but that's all good. But we can still vlog here. So just come follow me and we'll just see what we find. I guess I'll go on the trails again. So just come and join me. Flip you guys around. Now if you watched my other two Rockwood Park vlogs, I pretty much told you the review of this park. So go check out those two vlogs on Big Market Adventures. But yeah, the trails here again, just to give you a little quick recap of them. They're pretty flat. Well, not flat, they got some hills. They got some hardcore hill trails here. If you're a beginner and want an extra challenge, come here because it's probably your next step up. And you'll get a good cardio, your heart rate will go up too as well. So if you want a challenge on walking the trails, come here. For the most part, they got they're paved. There's some dirt trails here as well, but you can always check out the other two blogs for that. Again, Iron Gate, Harry G. Daniel Park, pretty flat. Pocahontas is pretty flat. It has some hills in certain areas, but for the most part, it's pretty decently flat. Point of Rocks Park, it's like a little bit of both. It's flat and got some hills in some areas. It's kind of like Pocahontas, I guess. And Maymont has a lot of hills. I wanted to go to Powhite Park today and walk those trails and see what they are, but we'll probably give that a miss today and just do this trails over here. So I guess we'll start off in the nature center and we'll just take those trails over there. Again, this park has a lot of softball fields. I think it was 7 of them in total. We're on the back side of the park getting ready to go on the trails, and there's 2 of them right here. So there's plenty of softball fields here. Basketball, tennis courts up front, and the playground up front. That's where the wife and the kids are. And I'm gonna vlog these trails again. I'm hoping to do a different trail and not get back on that white trail again. I think I ended up doing the white trail twice. I want to do a different color trail and stick with it. And here's the nature center coming up over here on the right. Again, dog-friendly park. Just clean up after your pets. Remember, these trails right here have a lot of these PT stations going along the trail, so you can, if you want to, get your cardio in and get a little, you know, boot camp training in, calisthenics and things like that. You know, your pull-ups, your leg lifts, knee lifts, and things like that. People out and about just enjoying their Sunday. Alright, we're gonna make a crossover. Should have beat this car. Alright, right here the sign says dual use trail rules. Bikes on the left side only, pedestrians on the right side. Bikes must yield to pedestrians. Bikes must signal approaching pedestrians. All users must obey directional signs. So just remember, you're coming here to ride your bike, you must yield to the pedestrians right here. And this looks like a white trail, but you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna stay on one trail and stick with it. Dogs running at large prohibited. picnic and a barbecue on this side. I don't think I started off on this one before. So. There's quite a few people on the trails today already. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. Over here on the left, it looks like you got a little picnic going on right here. Got a volleyball net right here. It might be a birthday party. How y'all doing? That's another thing about Rockwood Park. If y'all want to know, you take trails on Rockwood Park, you'll see a lot of these little picnic areas along the way. So that's a nice FYI. I don't think I covered that on my last blogs though, but I'm sure there's always something I miss every time I come here. But you'll see like those little gazebos, little shelters, volleyball nets and stuff right off to the side, where y'all can, enjoy y'all's sporting activities and your barbecues and your picnics. I don't think they have one too far back in the trails, but like for the most part, it's towards the front of the trails, but it's still on the trails, which is good. I think this is the orange route. I'm gonna cut off the orange route. We might end up going back on the white route again, but we'll see where it goes. Yeah, yesterday after I did my sightseeing vlog going towards Short Pump, I did end up doing the Short Pump vlog at Short Pump. This is the blue trail now. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the blue. Ended up doing the Short Pump vlog. It was a good vlog. I mean, I pretty much showed you everything on camera, but by the time I got home, I started cleaning up my phone, not being mindful that I just shot the Short Pump vlog and I actually deleted the vlog. So I was kind of upset about that, but I'll do another vlog at Short Pump in the future when we go back up there. But yeah, I was hoping it got restored back on the cloud. Usually when I delete photos or pictures, it normally shows up back in your cloud like the next day or something for some reason. And then it goes to the trash. But yeah, I mean, I guess I can check it again here in a little while and just see if it's still there, but or if it had popped back up, but I don't think it did. And down here is another shelter with a volleyball net right off to the side. It must be a pain in the ass though, bringing all your stuff down here. Then you have to lug it all the way back to the car. I think that's the downside of it. So I guess if you're bringing everything down here, make sure you bring something that has wheels so you can roll it down here instead of trying to lugging it all the way down. Yeah, this is back to the white trail again. I don't know, this is weird. Apparently so far the white and the blue trails only have the pavement. But you never know what we might run out into out here. What type of animals that are lurking in the woods. Bunch of damn squirrels. Bunch of fallen trees too. So just another FYI, if you're out walking trails in the heat of the summertime, or realistically anytime. Cut down through here real quick. Make sure you have your water handy. I don't have my water with me today, but it's kind of a nice day out here. But still, don't be that guy and forget the water like me. Make sure you just have some water handy and maybe a little hand rag or something, so you can, dry your sweat off or whatever you need to do. Just an FYI. I'll flip you guys around. I think here's a visible lake right here. Yeah, never been down this part before. Knew there was a lake down here, but I never seen it like in full view like this. This is nice. Got some houses in the background back there. You can't see it. And you might be able to see a little bit right there. Houses on some waterfront property. Guy doing some boating and fishing. It's the American flag right there. That looks cool. Guess that's another piece of property right there. Yeah, there's some housing back here that I never knew of. You see right there, over there, you see another house. Looks like it's on stilts. That's amazing. Try to zoom in just a little bit. Keep playing with the zoom. Try to leave it at 1.5. So there. Let's see what the sign says right here. Val Fallen Heroes Memorial, John 15:13. The memorial flag you see across the lake is displayed in honor of all the heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice to keep our community free. It is constructed from over 6,940 dog tags. Oh wow. With the names of our fallen service members in the War of Terror. Veterans and Athletes United. That's what VAU stands for. All volunteer, nonprofit founded and run by veterans constructed this traveling memorial to bring awareness to the sacrifices of these honorable service members and Gold Star families, and serves as a symbol of what the flag means to those who have served this country. That's awesome. So that's what that flag is across the lake, is made out of a bunch of dog tags. That's cool. Well, let's move on. That's awesome. Never knew they did that back here. Never walked this back part of the trail before. I'm glad I came back here and showed you guys that. That's pretty awesome. See if we can see another great view of these houses over here. See some those nice houses in the back, right on the lake. Someone's pontoon boat right there. You can see it. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's the view of the lake we saw just now. Never been down on this side of Rockwood Park. It's just further off the trail that I never really go off of, but we're gonna make our way back up to the main trail and continue our trek. Hey, Mr. Squirrel. Hey, I know you're getting ready to climb that tree. Oh, you're already up there. Oh, you're hiding from me, huh? Well, that's all good. Maybe we get some more views of these houses over here. Yeah, the only downfall about this area is the lake and the houses are pretty much obscured by these trees right here. Wish they cut them down a little bit. Oh, they got a little tennis court back there. You should be able to see it in the foreground right there. Yeah, I don't know how big this lake is, but I don't think it's but so huge. It might be a man-made lake just for this property, I guess, but I don't know. Guess it'll hurt to do some more research on it. Looks like there's two trails right here. I just got off the one by the lake, and the other one's just several feet away. I don't know if they run into each other or not, but I'm gonna try to see if we can find a way back to the white trail, I guess. I'm on the orange trail. See, my options right now, I can stay on the orange trail on the path we're going, or take the red trail, which is up to this little pathway up here. Guess we can stay on the orange trail. Yeah, nice and shaded, these parks right here. Rockwood Park, bunch of shade. So you ain't gotta worry about being sunburnt here. Unless you're out on the, out on the basketball courts and the fields and doing the activities up there. A little stream, a little brook. Nice and peaceful. How's it going?
Quite well. How are you?
Pretty good. Yeah, stay on the orange trail. Eventually all these trails will lead up to the front anyway. It has to. Or it'll at least lead up to the main trail that takes you back up to the front, which is obviously the white trail. I was so upset, guys, when I deleted that short pump blog. I wanted to show you guys short pump so bad. That's a nice mall. That was one of the nicest malls around here that I vlogged, because short pump, that area is always booming. A lot of people out there, a lot of businesses up there too, and it's just, it never dies up there. Let's see what this says right here. Area inhabited by the Powhatan. The Powhatan were located in eastern Virginia around the Tidewater region. The main Powhatan tribe was located in what is now Henrico County. The Powhatan Confederacy was spread out all around Virginia and some parts of Maryland and consisted of 31 tribes. These tribes were either allied with or conquered by the Powhatan. Yeah, nice to know. Okay, now we are on the purple trail, but I don't think I'm gonna go this way though. Yeah, because there's a no trespassing sign right here. I want to cross this bridge, but I don't want to go across this bridge right here. See, on the purple trail. Let me just turn around. Take you back up this way. I think I'm gonna stay on the purple trail the rest of the way. Going around the bend. To be honest with you, I think I'm running to the white trail. One of those little PT areas. Yeah, look, I'm on the white trail, people. Cut across this way. All these little cut throughs. It's bridgey time. Two bridges. To be honest with you, I think I've been across this path on my last vlog. I think it still leads to the white trail again. It's a nice day for a white trail. It's being stupid right now. Yeah, like I was saying, all these little cut through paths off the paved road path, the main paths, will always lead to one of them. So I don't think you'll ever get lost here. So far, all I know is part of the purple path and the white path. And I think a little bit of the red path has pavement markings. Or they're made out of pavement. And the rest is just, you know, little dirt paths like this. And you get some good steps in here too. If that's the nature center right there, we're just going to go ahead and escape. I think we got to kind of go around this little bend right here. Yeah. Woo-wee. Yeah, it's the nature center because I see the main path right here. Yeah, this cuts into the white path. Should be the white. This should be the white path right here. Yeah, only animals I've seen out here are squirrels. If the nature center's open, might take you guys inside. Well, let me go. Go to the front entrance. The heck, okay. All right, inside that nature center, just kind of see what they got. I'm not gonna stay here long, just kind of cool off a little bit. My name is Jade. What is this one right here? I don't know. Oh, the snake. See it right there? Oh, it's a rough green snake right here. Here's the home. Did you know rough green snakes can catch flying insects? No, I didn't. And I don't believe they're poisonous, so you're fine with these. Got eastern rat snakes. Large arboreal snake with a widespread range of. These snakes can reach lengths of 6 feet and they are strong climbers. They prey mostly on rodents, birds, and bird eggs. Non-venomous. And there are regions out of the southwest part of Virginia where you see the dark. We're like right here, so I guess it can migrate down this way, but the red corn snake. I don't know if you can see him. Must be hiding and sleeping right now. Yeah. Got some fish and turtles. The Eastern River Cooter. That's what it's called. The Eastern River Cooter. And I think they're all over where the yellow is. Spotted turtle. See it over here in the corner. And here's Houdini, the southeastern mud turtle. And we don't know if you can see it. It might be hiding somewhere. He's some damn where in here. Might be in the back somewhere. Guess that's why it's called Houdini. Spotted turtle. And believe it or not, a lot of turtles they can camouflage themselves pretty good. And here's a turtle swimming up at the top. And you see it? Big gigantic tortoise. Hi, buddy. This is the red-eared slider. The red-eared slider turtle. And her name is Bonnie. Got Kane over here. Eastern king snake, that's non-venomous. I don't know, I don't trust it. No, but they're labeled non-venomous. I'm pretty sure they're non-venomous. I'm no animal expert, but it's also good to do some research on them. All right, time to leave the nature center. So yeah, that was the nature center. It's not a big nature center. This has some, as you saw, some few, turtle, snake tanks in there. But there's not a lot. This just kind of shows you what's around the area, or what can be around the area. Just to kind of keep an ear out for them. I guess that's why they got the nature center in. So before you go on the trails, you can kind of figure out what could be in the area. So nothing too bad. So I don't think you gotta worry about anything if you come here. And again, here's a shot of these little softball fields. We'll make our way back up to the playground and wrap up the vlog. Yep. There's some activities going on today. I guess everybody, a lot of the schools are starting tomorrow. I guess everybody's out trying to get their one last hoorah with the kids. Plus it's a nice day out here too. A little warmer than yesterday, but it's still pretty nice out here. So there you go, Rockwood Park. I mean, I've done the review twice already in the my other two blogs. I would just say I recommend this park. Walk the trails. It's got some hills and challenges for you beginners, so just be prepared for that. But it's easy to kind of maneuver around once you kind of know the area. So and they're color coded too, so you can kind of figure out. You won't get lost here. It might feel like it at first, you might get lost, but you won't get lost. So trust me on that. So highly recommend Rockwood Park. I don't know, I give it maybe out of a 10. I give it maybe an 8 out of 10. Pretty solid park. Coming to Virginia, Chesterfield area, visit. So like and subscribe Big Market Adventures for all your adventure needs. Hopefully I'll get back out to Short Pump and do that blog out there soon. But who knows? Could be soon, it might be later. So take care, guys. I love you. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed evening.